Kid Next Door.
Hello, welcome to the Kid Next Door. And this is Holi time now. Holi, the festival of colors. So let's celebrate Holi by drawing a beautiful Holi scene. So in this picture, we'll be drawing some children who are playing Holi with each other, and we'll try to include everything that is used while playing Holi. So I'm starting here with a small boy. It's very simple. You draw the ear and the face, and then hair, which are kind of messed up because they are playing Holi. Then eyes, nose and mouth should be wide open, showing the laughter. So in this way the face is done. Then we will place the body features. I'm planning to show this boy holding a water gun, which is a characteristic toy which everybody loves to play with during Holi. So in one of the hands we will show the gun very clearly. So right here I'm showing the water gun. Alright, like that. The other hand is behind this first one. So we'll make the body so because I'm planning to draw 4 kids, I have drawn from the extreme left of my sheet so as to place all the 4 characters clearly in the picture. So these are the pants the boy is wearing, and then the feet with shoes, whichever way you want. Very simple, no detailings needed here. So we have kept it quite simple. Alright, so the first character is done. Next to this one we will draw a girl on whom this boy is spraying water from the water gun. So again we'll draw the ear and the face like a big U, and then I'll put up a ponytail for this girl, so like that. So I have just shown the eyes closed because as if when we laugh the eyes are closed, and also she's kind of trying to say, oh, don't put color on me, so she's kind of running away. That's what I'm trying to show here. So this girl is kind of having her hands up saying stop, stop. And with the other hand also she's stopping the other fellow who is about to come to put color on her. So she's surrounded from both the sides with people putting color on her, and again we'll put some simple shoes for this girl. And so we are done with the second character as well. For the third one, again I'm making a boy who is coming with some Holi colors in his hand and is trying to put some Holi colors on this girl who is already saying no. Okay, so again see, for all the characters we have to show a big smile on their face because Holi is all about fun. Over here I'm drawing the side view of this boy, so you have to focus very carefully. It is a very simple way to draw the side face. You just draw nose and mouth and chin, and there you have it. Okay, so we will show that in one hand this boy is holding a packet of colors, and from the other hand he is trying to put the color on the girl. So yeah, in this way. Okay, we'll show some colors on the packet as well, and then we'll give a simple dress to the boy. Alright. Lastly, I'll be drawing a very naughty girl who is splashing water balloons on everybody. So we'll show this girl in action as if she's throwing one of the water balloons. Again, we are showing a big smile, and again this is a front view of the girl's face. So we'll show two ponytails in different directions. It's all messed up, and you have to see how I'm drawing the body of this girl, because I'm trying to show this girl in action as if she just threw a water balloon from this hand of hers. Okay, so the water balloon also we have to show, which is coming out of her hands, and in the other hand, the hand behind, she's again holding another water balloon. Okay, so over here, this is the water balloon which she has just thrown out of her hand, and we show these motion lines to depict the action clearly. So that's about this one. Okay, and now because it's Holi scene, all these kids have been playing Holi, we will just put some splashes of colors on everybody's dress. I really had great fun in drawing this, Over here we are showing the water or the color coming out of the water gun, coming on the dress of the girl. So yeah. So with this, the four main characters are done. Now we will add some more details to give scene a complete look. Right here I am drawing a bucket from where the water gun can be filled in. So I am also putting one more water gun inside this bucket. If you have more space, you may add more water buckets and more water guns over there. Then we will just show some puddles of colors of water all around in the floor, because this is how everything becomes when we play Holi. Now, because Holi is always played outside the house, we don't have to mess the house from inside. So we are showing a courtyard which is outside the house, so where these kids are playing. So on the left I am showing the building, so the window is there. If you have more place, you may add a door or something like that. And on the other side, that's the boundary wall for the courtyard. In this way, our scene is pretty much done. Based on whatever space you have, you may keep on adding more water splashes on it, and yeah, I guess that's it. We are done for it. So this time in this painting, I'll be coloring with oil pastels and wax crayons. So I first start with all the water or the color splashes. I have just picked up all the bright colors in my oil pastels that I had and colored them simply. There is no shading. I just kept on coloring them. Then I colored the dresses of all these characters again in bright colors, contrasting with the color splashes on them. So it looks this way. Further, I'm coloring the background building and the sky. So sky I have colored again with oil pastel, sky blue color, and a little bit of dark blue shading in it. And the building I have done with yellow, with the window in brown and blue. The back wall I have done in pink color. You can use whatever shades you have. So yeah, okay, now I have colored the skin of all the characters, and as you see, apart from using the skin color, I have also added some other colors, red, yellow, green, the Holi colors on them. The same thing I have done with the hair. So apart from adding the black color in hair, I have also added some Holi color, red, yellow shades in their hair as well. Once we are done, I've colored here the water gun, the buckets, the Holi packet, all the extra details that was there to complete the scene. Finally, we colored the floor gray and we add some bushes on that pink wall. So I have just used dark green and light green color to add these random bushes because I just felt like that would add more. The nature's presence would add to the scene. So that's completely optional. And that's it. So yeah, that's our colorful Holi scene. Hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring with us. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications from our channel. The Kid Next Door regularly posts new videos useful for all the kids of all the ages. So please subscribe. Bye bye.